Hello crochet lovers, welcome to my channel. We made a granny stitch beanie in previous weeks. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet matched scarf with this beanie. I'm going to use same colors, this brand yarn, again with two colors. You can use scrap yarns for this project. I have 4mm crochet hook. This yarn that I'm going to be using is 50% cotton and 50% acrylic. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the bell button, and I try to find easiest and fastest projects every week for you. Thank you. Okay, let's start. We are going to start with chains, and you can make smaller or larger. Just chain multiply 3 and plus 1. I'm going to start with chain 31 and make a slip knot. Okay, we have now 31 chain. Make 3 chains more and make 1 double crochet into the 4th stitch like this. Yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2 and pull through 2 together. Okay, this is double crochet, and this 3 chain counts as double crochet. Again, yarn over, skip 2 chains and make double crochet into the 3rd chain. Make 2 more double crochets into the same stitch. Now we have 1 cluster. Yarn over, skip 2 chains and make 3 double crochets into the same stitch. You can start with a single crochet also, and again yarn over, skip 2 chains and make 3 double crochets into the 3rd chain. And go on until you finish this row. I'm finishing this row. Now we have 3 chains left. Yarn over and make 2 double crochets into the last stitch. This is the end of the row. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 clusters in the first row. Now chain 3 and turn your work. Now we have holes between the clusters, and we make clusters between the clusters. Yarn over, make 3 double crochets between the clusters. Make 3 double crochets into the same space. We're gonna make 3 clusters, 3 double crochets into the each space till the end. Now we have 1 space left. Yarn over, make 3 double crochets into the same space. Yarn over and make 1 double crochet into the chain 3 double crochets. Chain 3 and make 1 double crochets into the first stitch. And yarn over. Make 3 double crochets into the next space. We start with 2 double crochets. It looks more smooth and regular, more straight. Okay, that's why. Go on with 3 double crochets into the next space and make 3 double crochets until you finish this row. I'm finishing this row with 2 double crochets. Yarn over and make 1 double crochet into the top of the last cluster and yarn over. Make 1 double crochet into the chain 3 space, chain 3 stitch, and finishing this row. Fourth row is the same with second row. Chain 3 and make 3 double crochets into the very first space. You can control in every row before you start and yarn over. Make 3 double crochets into the each space and repeat row 1 and 2 as long as you want. I want to show you how to change color also. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. I changed the color. If we didn't cut the yarn, we start with chain 3 and make a slip knot with other stitch. Chain 3 and yarn over. Make 3 double crochets into the first space. And I want to hide these tails, these yarn ends, with my crochet hook. Like this. Or you can use tapestry needle also. And I hide these tails and cut the ends. Okay, that's all. You can hide this also with crochet hook and cut the ends. That's it. Go on with 3 double crochets into the every single space and finish with 1 double crochets. I finished my scarf. I didn't think too much and I changed the colors randomly. Don't think too much, okay? I like it. I'm happy with the result. I use 1 ball of yarn, 100 grams, pale pink, but I have still salmon color here. Now I wanna make a border. I'm gonna start here. Insert your hook into the first chain, first stitch, and make a slip knot. Chain 1 and make single crochet into the same stitch. Make 2 single crochet into the space and make 1 single crochet into the cluster space. Okay, 2 single crochets into the spaces and 1 single crochet into the clusters. Make 1 single crochet into the last stitch. I also want to make tassels. I'm going to cut the yarn, and this is my reference tassels. I finished one side and I'm going to show you how to add the tassels. I have practical solutions for making tassels. I don't want to cut one by one, and I have no time for this. This memory cards for Spanish, and I'm going to use this. You can use anything else. Hold the yarn like this with your fingers and wrapping around the cardboard. Okay, I finished my scarf. I hope you like it. Please give thumbs up and leave a comment if you like, or if you have any suggestions or questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button See you next week and next episodes. Bye.